Shoutout kay Christmas Bay, padayon sa imuang mga contents. Kana lang, more followers, subscribers para sa imuang padayon ganda siya.
How important is being global for SME? I'm a new business, I'm just starting. Do I have to think global na? It's something that should we start early on? Or pwede later on pag malaki na ako? So, Sir Joseph.
First, right. If I may paraphrase the question a little bit, is that thinking global probably will come in two levels. One is being global in the sense of expanding outside. Then the other one is being global in the sense of being competitiveness or being world class. Let me start with the second one first because that will be a requirement before we can go outside the Philippines, before we can expand outside the Philippines. So is it important for us to be globally competitive, even at this stage, like for SMEs, that we are just in the local market? Short answer is yes. And I'll give you the reasons. Probably I'll have 4 reasons. Number one is that I think all of us as in businesses, we are all have this common passion of giving the best values to our consumers or customers. Why do you think that, or what would make your customers choose you over competition? At the end of the day, it's the best value that we will provide. Superior value, better value more than others. Secondly, is that if we are looking for the best value, provide the best value, it depends on the expectations of our consumers. Today, consumers are very well exposed. I guess because of the boundary-less internet, social media, or even taking a trip abroad. Because of the exposure, the expectations of the consumers are now heightened or elevated. So if we want to provide the best value over their expectations, we better do a good job or a better job. Thirdly, from our both experiences, even if your business today doesn't have a global competition yet, it will come. So we better be ready. Might as well be prepared. And finally, linking it now to the first level of global is that this will pave the way for you to expand outside the country, outside the Philippines. Why limit your dream when you can dream bigger?
Thank you, Sir Joseph.
When you say global, or for me, it's a mindset. Okay? It's a mindset of global is all about excellence and quality. So when you set up, in our case, when we set up our business, I did not have, when I had 3 stores, 4 stores, 5 stores, I never thought of being global. It's not like, I want to go be present and bring this out to the whole world. What I did in my mind was that I want to be the best in the market here locally. I want to deliver the best product. I want to be serving it with the best kind of service. I want to have continue to build the brand, give that great customer experience. That's all about excellence. And to share you a story, the reason why we are in Dubai or we are in Doha, and we get a lot of inquiries from Saudi Arabia, from US, even in Canada, most of those inquiries were visits to the Philippines. So we have a Qatari or an Emirati coming to the Philippines and they see our brand. And when they experience our brand, they felt it was a global, a world-class experience. And that's why they wanted to inquire and bring it back to their countries. So think of it, if they come here and you don't deliver really good quality products or excellence in your operations, and then you have these foreigners coming in here, they will not take notice of you. So we always be at the top of your level, always be the best in class for your products, always be able to deliver that experience. And That's what is global mindset is all about for me. So it's very important in that sense.
Thank you, Sir Steve. No, so